Building your first robot is a lot like playing with high-tech Legos. You just need a few specific parts, a little bit of code, and the patience to plug it all together. Here's how you can get started using affordable parts found on eBay. First, let's talk about the hardware. When you are searching eBay, look for generic or unbranded versions of these items to save a ton of money. You need a brain for your robot. The most popular choice for beginners is the Arduino Uno. Search for an Arduino Uno R3 compatible board. It is rugged, cheap, and has thousands of free tutorials online. If you want your robot to connect to your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, search for an ESP32 DevKit instead. Next, you need the body and the muscles. The easiest way to start is to search for a 2WD smart car chassis kit. This usually costs about $15 and includes the plastic frame, the wheels, and a battery holder. For the muscles, you want 2 yellow TT gear motors. These are the standard plastic motors used in almost every starter project. To actually move those motors, you need a middleman called a motor driver. Search for an L298N motor driver module. Your Arduino brain tells the driver what to do, and the driver handles the heavy electrical lifting to spin the wheels. Finally, give your robot some senses. Search for an HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. This looks like a pair of tiny eyes and works like sonar, helping your robot detect walls so it doesn't crash. Now let's look at the software side. To bring your robot to life, you will need a way to send it instructions. The most common tool is the Arduino IDE. It is a free program you download to your computer. You write your instructions in a language called C++, plug your robot into your USB port, and hit upload. If you prefer a simpler language, you can use MicroPython, which feels a lot more like writing in plain English. The logic for a basic robot is very simple. You tell the robot to constantly check the distance to the nearest object. If the path is clear, move forward. If an object gets too close, tell the motors to reverse and turn. This simple loop is the foundation of almost every autonomous machine. If you want to skip the hassle of buying parts one by one, just search eBay for an Arduino robot starter kit. These bundles usually come in a plastic case with every wire, motor, and sensor you need to get moving on day one. Would you like me to walk you through the basic code to make your robot move forward for the first time? Comment Part 2.